Hello and welcome back. Today we have another 3D model for splitting. We will slice the fingers of this hand to make suitable for 3D printing. This is our model. First I will duplicate this by pressing Shift and D, and then press G and X to make a copy of this model. I want to hide this, and this is my model, and I will slice the fingers. So for that, press Shift A and a plane, scale it up by pressing S, and then move it here. I think this plane is too large, so I will reduce it like this. Now I will adjust the plane where I want a cut. For that, I will keep it like this. Yes. We can keep it like this, and I think I should scale it down. This is enough, but I think here is a small error, so I will try to rotate it. But I think I can move it like this, and this should not intersect with other finger. For that, I will move it more like this, and this is done. Now we need to apply a modifier which is solidify, and the thickness should be this one, and apply. Press Shift and D to make a duplicate of this and keep it here. Now select on this plane and select by pressing Shift and select on hand. We need to apply a modifier which is go to edit and difference. If I go to edit mode, press P and by loose parts, I can see that I have two models. Yes, this is good. I adjusted other planes with the fingers, so I will again split all of the select on difference, and then again click on this plane, and then on hand by pressing Shift, then click on difference. After this, this is the final, and click on this, but I think there is a small issue, so I will adjust it first. And difference. Now go to edit mode, press P by loose parts, and here we can see that our model has 4 different parts for 3D print. So now we want to make some mechanism to join after printing. So for that, hide this, and we have to create a cube. By scaling it up, now I need to adjust this. Now duplicate this one by pressing Shift and D. I adjusted all the cubes which will help to join the parts after 3D printing, and I will create a boolean to make a key and lock feature. After creating a boolean, I have these cubes here which I will join with this body. So by selecting all of them, we need to join to make them one body. And here are my fingers. If I hide this one, then we can see a slot inside finger which will fit on the new features on this hand. So in this way we can join 3D prints after printing. If you like this video, hit a like button and subscribe for more interesting videos related to 3D printing and 3D modeling. Thank you.